Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a USB microphone by Samson. This is the G-Track Pro. I will go over specs, features, and provide audio samples. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, the USB cable, and the microphone mount. Going over some specs, this is a USB microphone and it's ideal for podcasting, streaming, and recording music. It has dual 1-inch condenser capsules, 3 polar patterns, cardioid, bidirectional, and omnidirectional. It has a frequency response of 50 Hz to 20 kHz, 24-bit digital output, 1/4-inch input for connecting guitars or line-level devices, stereo headphone monitoring, power, mute, clip, and LED indicator. It's plug and play, it weighs in at 3.52 pounds, and it has an integrated desktop base. And just to go over the 3 polar patterns that you can toggle, omnidirectional will pick up sounds all around the microphone and it's ideal for multi-person podcasts or groups. The bidirectional or figure 8 picks up sounds from the front and the rear, and it's ideal for 2-person broadcasts or interviews. And cardioid will pick up the sound directly in front of you, which is ideal for streaming or voiceovers. Taking a look at the microphone, it comes with an integrated base and it has some good weight to it, and it has a non-slip padding on the bottom. The microphone has a die-cast construction and it feels solid. The microphone is also adjustable and it can tilt to your desired angle. You can also remove it from the base and use the supplied microphone adapter if you want to mount it elsewhere. It has a heavy gauge mesh grill, and underneath that you'll find dual 1-inch 25mm large diaphragm condenser microphones. On the front of the microphone you have the branding, and also you have an LED light for the power, mute, and clip indicator. To the left of that you have a switch to toggle the polar patterns from bidirectional, cardioid, and omnidirectional. On the right side you have a switch for recording mono or 2-track. Taking a look at the middle, you have the mute button. You also have the microphone volume adjustment knob, the instrument input adjustment level knob, and the volume control for the headphone input. On the back, you have the monitor on and off switch, the headphone output, and a 1/4-inch mono instrument input. And on the bottom, you have the B-size USB connector that will interface with your computer. And now for some audio samples. I'll start off with the Samson GTrack Pro, and then I'll switch over to the Sennheiser MK4, which is priced twice as much. No EQ or post-processing will be applied. Now you're hearing the audio from the GTrack Pro. I'm about 6 inches away from the microphone. I'll read some phrases. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Plays a rose bush near the porch steps. Now you're hearing the audio from the Sennheiser MK4 microphone. I'll read some phrases. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Place a rosebush near the porch steps. Okay, hopefully you heard the difference between the G-Track Pro and the Sennheiser MK4 microphone. During the duration of this video, the audio you are hearing are from the Samson G-Track Pro. So here are my thoughts on the microphone. The build and quality is solid and setup is a breeze. You can just plug it in and start recording. I was impressed with the overall sounds. Very clean, and there's some warmth to it. It does a good job of isolating and blocking out some of the surrounding noises. I like that you have the flexibility of picking the different polar patterns so you can change it depending on your needs. You also have the flexibility when recording instruments. Overall, for the price point, this has tremendous value in my opinion. It can rival some of the higher priced microphones out there. So that is my review of the Samson G-Track Pro USB microphone. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.